Hey all, if you follow on Facebook, you know that every month since August, we've had different challenges. This month, October, challenge is to unplug, reboot, reconnect every Wednesday after 6 o'clock. Turn off the iPhones, turn down the computer, and reconnect with what's truly important. John Wooden is a legendary college basketball coach. At one point, he won 7 national championships in a row. 10 national championships over a 12-year time period. He's regarded by many as the greatest coach ever in any sport. In a recent interview that I listened to by Coach Wooden, his wife had made mention during the interview that Coach Wooden always left basketball on the court, that he never brought the stress of basketball home. And he's a super humble guy, and he appreciated the compliment. And the true genius of Coach Wooden, by being able to disconnect from basketball, is the fact that it allowed him to be creative. It allowed him to be creative and reconnect with the things that are most important to him. I'm a fan of technology, and it's certainly it's the way that we're communicating right now. But it is important that we disconnect, recharge, reboot, and reconnect with the things that are most important to us. So during the month of October, the challenge is every Wednesday after 6, shut everything down and reconnect with what's most important to us, and allow ourselves to be creative and to solve those real big problems, or to recreate really big solutions by disconnecting. Feedback has been awesome. I love hearing from everybody. Look forward to hearing from all of you after Wednesday, and listen to your thoughts on how the challenge went. Be inspired.